Good afternoon, India. My name is Tanveer, and welcome to today's special session. It's March, and we are marching in March. It's March mania. हम लोग अपने goals की तरफ बहुत तेजी से भाग रहे हैं, and this month is really crucial for all of us, and it's crucial in many ways. क्योंकि इस महीने हम स्पेशल इवेंट भी है हमारी, और वो इवेंट जो है आने वाली इवेंट जिसके बारे में हम सभी जानते ही हैं. We are all excited for the event, and what we'll do is we'll look at a wonderful product today. We'll look at a product which is an amazing product. It is a new addition to our family, and we also have an amazing guest today with us. So as you can see, this is the product, and आप लोगों ने शायद e-store पे product को देखा ही होगा virtual office पे. But let me tell you all that in today's section, we will be speaking in English as well as in Hindi. Our expert is going to be joining us in a short while. And but before I move on to the expert, let me introduce you to the expert. Mr. Shubhendu Mazumdar, he is the National Sales Head of Sharp Business Systems. ये इंजीनियर हैं और 20 साल से शार्प के साथ हैं, और इन्होंने कई प्रकार के रोल्स हैंडल किए हैं इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, रेंजिंग फ्रॉम टेक्निकल सपोर्ट टू मार्केटिंग टू प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग and to sales. So he has held a wide variety of functions within the organization. He's got a huge vintage in the organization. बहुत ही जबरदस्त इनका एक्सपीरियंस है और बैकग्राउंड है शार्प के साथ, और हमारी पार्टनरशिप शार्प के साथ जो है क्यूनेट की, उसमें हमारा बहुत अच्छा सहयोग और साथ दे रहे हैं. It's my honor and my pleasure to welcome Mr. Shubhendu Mazumdar. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Tanveer ji, for such beautiful words. Thank you so much. We are ready, yes. And as you very rightly said, we are ready to march. We are ready. We are geared up.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. We are ready to march in March. Let's straight away get on to a very interesting question, Mr. Mazumdar. क्योंकि जब भी हम लोग बात करते हैं लोगों से, when we have our webinars, when we talk about distributors tell us, lot of times, people think of so many reasons for not buying an air purifier. तो लोग कहते हैं, जैसे हम स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, people say things like we don't need it, पोल्यूशन से हम बच नहीं सकते, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, क्या ये मेरी इम्यूनिटी को वीकन करेगा, और इस प्रकार के सवाल. Now these are such questions that are very regularly asked. So my first question to you, sir, is tell us, do we actually need an air purifier?
देखिए, मैं कुछ छोटे-छोटे एग्जांपल्स देना चाहता हूं. सबसे पहले मैं ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी के बारे में बात करूंगा, ह्यूमन अवेयरनेस के बारे में बात करूंगा कि व्हाट एज एन इंडियन व्हाट इज आवर परसेप्शन अबाउट हेल्थ. सो ये हो सकता है आपके लिए थोड़ा सा ओपनर हो कि यू आल्सो स्टार्ट बिकमिंग कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट. सो कई बार क्या होता है कि मान लीजिए योर फैमिली इज वाचिंग टेलीविजन एंड वो आपको आप दूसरे कमरे में हैं एंड यू आर बीइंग कॉल्ड कि देखो Virat Kohli is scoring a century. He is about to make a world record. तो आप सारा चीज छोड़ के आप टीवी के सामने जाके बैठ जाते हैं. This is one example. Second example could be if you love entertainment, if you love movies. तो मान लीजिए आप एक टीवी में न्यूज आ रहा है कि हाँ देखो कैटरीना कैफ is going to get married or whatever. I'm just giving an example. Please don't take me literally. तो भी हम लोग जो है जाके भाग के टीवी के सामने बैठ जाते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है क्या न्यूज है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर ऐसे हेल्थ से रिलेटेड, हेल्थ अवेयरनेस से रिलेटेड, चाहे वो डेंगू हो, चाहे वो रेस्पिरेटरी इश्यूज हो, उससे रिलेटेड अगर कोई न्यूज आते हैं या उससे रिलेटेड कोई आपके प्रोग्राम आते हैं, तो हम उस पर इतना फोकस नहीं करते, हम इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते. ठीक उसी तरीके से मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल दूंगा. जैसे हम पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स पैंडेमिक में पिक्चर हॉल
Sir, we seem to have lost your voice. Yeah, now we've got it again. Yeah.
मोबाइल या तो हम मोबाइल स्क्रॉल करने लगते हैं या तो जाके पॉपकॉर्न खरीदने चले जाते हैं. So this is what is the truth. This is the perception. This is the psychological perception of Indians, unfortunately related to health. वो हेल्थ को इतनी सीरियसली कोई भी नहीं लेते. उनको ये लगता है अगर आपको टीवी में कोई ऐसे सिगरेट पैकेट के ऊपर जैसे बहुत आड़े टेढ़े फोटो दिखाए जाते हैं, वेरी रफ काइंड ऑफ फोटोज दिखाए जाते हैं, टेलिंग दी बैड थिंग्स अबाउट स्मोकिंग, बट उस चीज को हम सीरियसली नहीं लेते. उन लोगों को लगता है कि मेरे को नहीं होगा, दूसरों को होगा. So this is the perception about health. So this is one major reason why people are hesitating to purchase air purifiers. But मैं एक और छोटा एग्जांपल दूंगा जिससे I think people will be able to relate कि एयर प्यूरिफायर हमारे लिए कितना जरूरी है. मान लीजिए तनवीर जी, आप किसी गंदे नाली के पास से गुजरते हैं तो हमारी रिएक्शन क्या होती है? आप कहिए. मान लीजिए 1-1.5 मिनट का समय लगता है किसी गंदे नाली को पार करने में. What is our reaction?
We'll close our nose or some handkerchief or maybe stop breathing also for this point. सांस रोक के भी रखेंगे.
सांस तो रोक नहीं सकते ना. सांस रोक
जल्दी से भागेंगे.
सांस नहीं रोक सकते. आपको 1.5-2 मिनट लगेगा और आपको सांसें लेनी है. So we are trying to put a handkerchief, and by doing that we are trying to reduce the volume of impurities. What we are actually doing is we cannot make it zero, while knowing very well that we cannot completely stop the infection or the smell from coming into our lungs. We are using a handkerchief, or we are increasing the gap between the breath to reduce the impurities. Am I right? Air purifier भी ठीक उसी तरीके से काम करता है. मतलब 11,000 लीटर हवा, 11,000 liters of air passes through our lungs every day. 11,000 liters, right? अब ये 11,000 के 11,000 तो साफ नहीं कर सकते. हम एयर प्यूरिफायर को साथ में लेके घूम नहीं सकते. बट अगर हम ये देखें कि कौन से ऐसे एरियाज है जहां पे हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा समय रहते हैं, जैसे बेडरूम है, लिविंग रूम है, ऑफिसेस है, अगर वहां पे आप एयर प्यूरिफायर को इंस्टॉल करते हैं और एक बेहतर एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं अराउंड यू, सो वी आर एबल टू रिड्यूस द वॉल्यूम ऑफ इम्प्यूरिटीज. मान लीजिए कि 11,000 लीटर्स के साथ अनप्रोटेक्टेड अगर 10 सिगरेट जितना नुकसान होता है, तो विथ एयर प्यूरिफायर you will be able to reduce the damage to 5 cigarettes. इसको literally मत लीजिए.
जी, I understand.
As an example,
yes.
कि अगर without protection आपके 10 सिगरेट जितना नुकसान होता है आपको या आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स को, हमें, so with an air purifier we will be able to reduce it to 5 cigarettes. So this is, I hope this answers why do we need an air purifier.
Yes, sir, I think it does. And there is a request on the chat to restrict primarily to English. So we'll accept that request and speak primarily to English. Though I did say initially that we will speak both in English and Hindi, that's okay. So thank you, sir. And let's move on to now that we understand the need.
Tanveer, if you want, I can just summarize what we have discussed in English.
No, I think that's perfectly fine, sir. Our distributors have understood whatever has been summarized because you did it so nicely. When moving on, when we talk about air purification and when we talk about Sharp QNet partnership, the first thing that comes to mind is the plasma cluster technology. Now, let me remind here everyone who is joined today's webinar that there is a handout on the plasma cluster technology effectiveness which you can download. But I would request you, Mr. Mazumdar, please tell our IRs who joined us today what this technology is all about and how does it take care of the purification of air.
See, if I have to tell you anything about plasma cluster, and this is the plasma cluster logo. Plasma cluster is a natural air purification system which is safe, effective and certified. So this is the definition of plasma. I'm using two specific words, which is safe and effective. So I'll in a bit explain what is this. Safe and effective means, let's say, to these days we are all being vaccinated. I mean, our chances are yet to come, but the vaccination process has started. So Tanvir, given a choice, will you take a vaccine which is safe but not effective?
No, I won't. It has to be effective.
Will you take a vaccine which is effective but not safe?
Again, no. So it has to be both of them.
Both of them. So when it comes to technology, these two keywords are very important: safety, effectiveness. और plasma cluster आपको safety के साथ साथ effectiveness भी देता है. और मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, I have interacted with lot of IRs in the last 6-7 months. So we have already communicated that now plasma cluster has been proven to reduce the effect of SARS-CoV-2, which is the COVID-19 virus, by 91.3% in 30 seconds, in just 30 seconds under lab conditions, which means that plasma cluster technology is the technology which can do a lot of things. Actually, interesting, about plasma cluster is that there is no update required. New discoveries are happening for plasma cluster. We are able to discover new benefits of plasma cluster. So let's say somebody is using a plasma cluster technology for the last 5 years. He doesn't need to update his plasma cluster unit. The same plasma cluster technology which he has purchased, or he or she has purchased 5 years back, it is going to give the same effect as the new model. So जैसे मोबाइल में क्या होता है कि मोबाइल में we need to update the software regularly to get new benefits, but not with plasma cluster. Plasma cluster is the same. Why it is same? Because it is natural. You can't upgrade it, you can't update it. Nature का तो update नहीं होता ना.
बिल्कुल नहीं
होता.
होता.
This proves that it is natural. So plasma cluster में कोई बदलाव नहीं है. We are finding new benefits, and plasma cluster can do a lot of things, starting from improving the skin quality, reducing static charge, neutralizing gases, and even destroying pathogens. And SARS-CoV-2 is one such example. And I'm sure you have been circulating the detailed test report. So you will receive a 155-page document. This 155-page document will contain all the detailed test reports of 33 labs as well as their certificates.
Thank you, Mr. Mazumdar. And let me once again remind everyone who joined us today that this certification is already uploaded on your system, on your device. तो आप इसे download कर सकते हैं, and you can, substantiate whatever you say to your prospects, and even for your own, knowledge. आप देख सकते हैं सारे के सारे certifications. But let's move on to what's new today. Plasma cluster is like, wow, it's patented and it's tested 33 global labs also by IIT Delhi. But आज देखते हैं आज हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. आज हम बात करने वाले we're going to talk about the sharp QNet Smart Air. Now Smart Air, as Mr. Mazumdar, it's there by his side, right there live and with him. So Smart Air is something that we've introduced today, and it's absolutely great. It's got fantastic features. So what we'll do today, wow. Thank you, Mr. Mazumdar, for, showing it to us, brilliant. So, Mr. Mazumdar, I have read and, wow, fantastic. So I was reading about Smart Air, and we also did, come across the wonderful features that Smart Air has. So tell everyone who has joined us today, especially, very interesting was the IoT feature. So tell everyone who's joined us today about the IoT feature. It is one of the great additions to the Smart Air air purifier. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, the IoT primarily allows you to manage and control the purifier from your mobile telephone, whether it is Apple or Android. Irrespective of that, the controls and the management will be available in here. So I will request you that maybe in this session we will not be able to go into too much of detail, but broadly we will tell you what all you have in your hands. So you can, this is a easy setup. So what you need is a Wi-Fi router. So there are two types of Wi-Fi router. One is a dongle, chota, small dongle which we get from Jio or whatever, or Airtel, and then we have a station router installed. Sometimes some homes they have a Wi-Fi router in their homes. Some home they have a wireless router. So in both these cases, you can configure the machine through the router with the smartphone. And on the smartphone, once the Sharp Air is the name of the mobile app, once it is launched, once it is loaded, you can see the PM 2.5 levels on your mobile telephone. So this is something which is very new. This is not available in any of our purifiers so far. So now you will be able to see the PM 2.5 levels. Number one, can you go to the previous slide, please?
Yes, yes.
You can monitor the quality of the air. So let's say if before turning it on, if the quality was, you will gradually see, you can visualize them on your mobile phone that it is gradually cleaning the air. Then you can check the filter life. So filter life also you will have on your mobile phone. You will be able to see how much filter life is consumed, and so that you are ready to buy your filters. You can adjust the fan speed, but it is recommended that you use it in medium or high fan speed. So then you can, let's say if you're installing it in an office scenario where there will be multiple units, right? So with one app, you can manage multiple units, and multiple phones can manage one device. So let's say if in your family there are 3 people, all 3 people can have their individual app and they can manage. Right? It is not necessary that only one mobile has to be connected. So this is, again, all the benefits which I told you, this is better than the competition. Very easy to configure. You can see a host of things on your mobile app and multiple connectivity options. So next slide, please. So this Sharp Air is the mobile app which is available through Google Play as well as the Apple Store. Next slide, please. So as I mentioned, so you can monitor the room air quality. You can monitor the filter life. You can also manage the fan speed directly from the mobile. And you can even, let's say if you are coming from the office and you want to turn on the air purifier before you reach home, you can even do that.
Wow. Mr. Mazumdar, I think I was really mesmerized to hear about the features. IoT, Internet of Things. Now, this IoT feature is such a fantastic new addition. And this is, I can say, as they say in French, creme de la creme, the cream of the cream. It's a top-notch feature currently. And it's, like you said, this is a feature not available with any of the competition. This is a wonderful new addition, and it makes our gadget so easy to access. It gives us the indication of air quality index, filter life, and being able to control the app, manage and control the app from your mobile device. Wow, that's really a fantastic new feature, Mr. Mazumdar.
One small correction, yeah. Tanvir. Some competition models do have a mobile app, but they are not so elaborate as we have.
Okay. Yes.
And not so easy to configure also.
Great. So I think that, this is certainly one feature that is going to be a great USP for this product. And all I can say to everyone who's joined us today, if you haven't yet ordered Smart Air, So today is a very auspicious day. You must order it today. Don't even wait for tomorrow. And Mr. Mazumdar has the product right there beside him. Uh, so, Mr. Mazumdar, so tell us a little more about the filtration system of the smart unit air purifier, and especially about smart air.
See, these are the three
I
filters.
set off my camera so that you can focus on you. Yeah.
So this is the pre-filter, which is very special from the previous model. So in the previous model, the pre-filter was not so dense. So in the new model, we have a much denser pre-filter. So this will be able to trap much smaller particles, which the predecessor model was unable to do. Let's say the E50, which we had, the previous white color, the pre-filter is better. Then comes the carbon filter. The carbon filter also is better in terms of the density of the carbons. As you can see, the carbon granules are much dense. Then finally, the HEPA filter. So the HEPA filter, you can look at the thickness and the number of plates. So this determines the quality of the HEPA. So this is all about filtration system. And when you are using it, please ensure that this tag is facing towards you, and on the filter it is mentioned as inside and outside. So please make a note of it, and it is very easy to take out and it's very easy to place also. I'm so sorry. Let's place it back. Right? This is how it goes. And it fits. So this is very simple to take out and manage. So we will, as far as the maintenance and cleaning is concerned, we'll have a separate video of that. So there are these three filters. So what we have in terms of filtration.
More about the filters.
Tanvir, what we have is a combination of filtration system plus plasma cluster. So filtration is a mechanical passive filtration system. So it draws the air towards the filter. Whereas in the case of plasma cluster, it reaches to each and every corners of the room. So it is an active purification technology and filters passive. So a combination of active and passive purification gives a better efficiency. So a large variety of impurities can be cleaned by these two different technologies.
Great. I think Mr. Mazumdar, you explained the HEPA filter, the pre-filter, and the active charcoal deodorizing function very nicely. Moving on to some of the key features of the product, just to summarize, as we are coming to the close of the section. One thing that comes, strikes me over here among this is the haze mode. So, Mr. Mazumdar, we haven't talked much about the haze mode. So, tell everyone who has joined us today a little more about what is haze, what is the haze mode, and how does it really, how does it function? How does it make sure that, it works efficiently and ensures superior cleaning?
Correct. So first, let us understand what exactly is haze. So a lot of times it has happened that, let's say when you wake up, you say Chandigarh, so you will be familiar with this kind of situations. When we wake up, we look outside, we find very smoggy weather. The visibility becomes very, very poor. So fog is water droplets, and smog is smoke plus fog. And haze means you must be very, very familiar that after Diwali and stubble burning, when these two gets combined, stubble burning means all the leftover of the agriculture. So they burn them. You know that very well. So when they're burning them, a lot of chemical fumes and gases are released into the air, because when you apply pesticides or fertilizer into a plant, those pesticides are there inside the plant. So when you are burning the plant, the pesticide also burns and it releases a lot of hazardous gases. So when they get combined with the air, it becomes haze. So haze means fog plus smoke plus dangerous chemical impurities. So this is haze. So post Diwali, during stubble burning, what you find is haze. But during these situations, when the concentration of impurities become very high in the lower atmosphere, let's say right now, you remember Tanvi during lockdown from Chandigarh, Shimla was visible. The hills of Shimla were visible. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely,
You
absolutely
were
right.
able to see, right?
Yes, we
Can
were
you
able to.
see them now? Can you see them now?
No, we cannot even see up to Kasoli, sir.
Why can't you see them?
Because there's
Because
just so much of smoke and fog, and it's
correct.
all across. Probably can't even see 500 meters from my place.
Exactly.
Even
Exactly.
natural, the natural vehicular pollution, industrial pollution. Now that the lockdown is kind of finished and things are getting back into motion, I think all the industries, the people are like they say, revenge shopping. So it's like revenge production. So extra production efforts, extra vehicles on road, extra manufacturing efforts. So pollution ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, rather it's increased too much. Yes, sir, please carry on.
So this is exactly what I'm trying to say. Lockdown has given us a perspective, given us a comparison. So now we know that what kind of quality of air we are inhaling, right? So during lockdown, we were inhaling very good quality. The air was clean, but now you can't see, which naturally means that the concentration of the pollution have increased in the lower atmosphere. So with one breath, let's say during lockdown, with one breath, you were taking this much of impurities. Now today, in one breath, you are taking this much of impurities. So volume of impurities have increased. This happens during summer and winters. So there are certain seasons where the visibility becomes very poor and the percentage of impurities becomes higher in the air. So as a result, when you are inhaling, every inhalation, the volume of impurities are increasing. So haze mode helps you clean the room under those conditions. But haze mode can also be used during asthma attack. Let's say somebody is having an asthma attack. During that, you use the haze mode. You can improve the condition of the room very quickly and reduce the triggers, asthma triggers very fast. So you can get relief in asthma.
Great. Sir, I think one very pertinent point that I was observing when you were telling us is, and also to point out to everyone who's listening to us today, that it's not just, in North India, and it's not just, in winters that this problem occurs. Just because we cannot see the polluted air, just because हम देख नहीं पा रहे polluted air को, तो हमें लगता है we probably feel, and wrongly so I must say here, that it's okay, it's fine in summers. You may not see that the polluted air hanging down, hanging low to the in the lower atmosphere. But believe me, and believe the expert who's here, who's telling you that whether you're living in North India or in any part of the India, whether west, south, central, anywhere, and any season of the year, even in summers, pollution is like prevalent and rampant, if I can use that word, all across. And that's the reason why even indoor pollution, is becoming so much of a challenge. And that's the reason why we need Sharp QNet Smart Air Purifier with us. Just to remind everyone that the coverage area for this product is 450 square meters. And I could see a lot of questions coming up on the chat box. And let me tell everyone that at the end of the session, we have almost come to the end. We will take up the questions. And also to add here that this product has a 2-year on-site warranty too. So, Mr. Mazumdar, thank you so much for your inputs, but we're not letting you go anywhere because we have a lot of questions from our IRs. And
so I have one point to add here.
Yeah, yes, sir. Please.
Just one point to add here. See, if whenever somebody feels that they don't need an air purifier, they should think about crossing an open drain. So as we are using the handkerchief to protect ourselves, the air purifier helps the entire family reduce those volume of impurities that we inhale with every breath. Am I right, Tanviji?
Absolutely. I'm reminded about, a song by the Police, Every Breath You Take, which is, I don't know why that song came to my mind, but it's right, speaking on a very earnest note and a very sincere note. I think this is something that, हम कहते हैं seeing is believing, देखते विश्वास होगा. But in this case, you have to believe us. The data is out there on air quality index, whether it's outside or it's inside your house. You must believe us that this is a really an alarming scenario now. And whatever Mr. Mazumdar has told us, thank you so much for the wonderful piece of information. And so briefly, you have, pinpointed and hit the nail on the head, if I can say that very precisely. You pointed out to the focus areas and especially this great new addition to our family of products. There's one, we'll take up the questions, sir, now. Okay, first of all, Niranjan ji is saying that it's a great
Tanvir, actually, we designed intentionally. The design was, and the color was kept black. There is an intention behind it that black complements the room decor. I mean, it can fit any kind of ambience.
Yeah, any kind of interiors, yeah. Black, like this is well. Black is beautiful, Black complements any kind of interior.
The color is very exciting. You have a look at it, you will feel the premiumness in the body and the color.
Perfectly right, sir. Perfectly right. I think, the product, it not only looks beautiful, but it's the inside, it has also got beautiful technology, which is going to give us, yeah, absolutely, nature fresh air to us. And
even in terms of safety, even in terms of safety also, Tanvir, you will not find a single screw. You will not find a single screw. Wow. So it is very safe for children. And if you look at this here on the top, there is a mesh so that nothing can fall in between. So these are all common things which we have in all our products. So
I think congratulations to the Sharp team for such a wonderful, addition to features, and our partnership with Sharp, the QNet partnership with Sharp is really going from strength to strength. Mr. Mazumdar, there are some questions. We'll briefly look at some of the important questions. First of all, there's a lot of compliments coming in from some of our IRs. Niranjan Dash ji is saying, Niranjan Das or Dash, I'm sorry if I'm getting your surname wrong, but it's a wonderful product and a wonderful session. Thank you. Thank you to Mr. Mazumdar for this session. In the meanwhile, there is also a question. Niranjan is asking that, is this product enough for my 1100 square feet flat? And secondly, how long should I switch it on? So two questions. Is it good enough for 1100 square feet flat? And how long it should be switched on?
See,
Mr. Mazumdar.
As far as the product is concerned, it is capable of being used 247, 365 days. So this is designed to run 247, 365. So there is no issue. But at least minimum, you should use the air purifier for 8 to 10 hours a day. Minimum. That is minimum. And answering your first question, that air purifier, the purpose of an air purifier is to reduce the volume of impurities. Reduce. So air purifiers are not meant for the entire room, and neither the air purifier will be able to purify the entire room. So purifier should be used at a place where you spend the maximum duration of time. Bedroom is priority number 1. So each and every bedroom which you have should have an air purifier. Like we buy mobile phones, you remember earlier days there used to be only one telephone for the entire locality. Then there was one telephone for the entire family. Now everybody uses a telephone. So similarly, for your health, at least one bedroom, one air purifier. And you can have air purifier in the living areas also, because a lot of the people who are staying at home, they spend a lot of time in the living areas. So I hope that answers the question.
Yes, yes. And also, just to reiterate on uh, the coverage area, if I just show this slide over here, it's the coverage area is 450 square feet, and as Mr. Mazumdar has rightly pointed out, uh, we need to, we love our families and we need to take care of their health, and this is something that's step one, because we spend almost 70% of our time indoors, so we need to ensure this. Uh, just one thing, I would like to also, as a follow-up question, uh, that within the room, where should it be placed? The product, where should be placed within the room? It's in the center
This is a
or in
very
the
good
side?
question.
Yeah.
This is a very good question. As you can see, it should be placed in an area where it is visible from each and every part of the room, right? It should not be hidden. So it should be visible, and you should place it about 1 feet away from the wall, right? Maintain a gap of 1 feet at least from the wall, and this side should be facing the room, and the filter side should be facing the wall. So we have a very unique airflow which ensures cleaning from each and every corners of the room. So I hope that answers.
Yes, yes, that's a very good answer. And that 1 feet away from the wall, and somewhere,
the filter side should be facing.
Yes, very important that the front side should be facing, of course, the placement.
This
front
side
side
facing through, filter side is facing the wall.
Filter side facing the wall. Thank you. And there's another question by Arpita Kundu. She is asking, will it be effective symptoms of allergic rhinitis? If so, how?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Allergic rhinitis, I am telling you, if somebody is having allergic rhinitis within 7 to 10 days, you will see reduction of 50%. And we have certificates for this. I'm not telling just like it. Any kind of respiratory symptoms, any problem which is really starting from the nose till lungs, this will help you. Not only that, any maximum within 7 to 10 days, you will be able to see results with allergic rhinitis, specifically allergic rhinitis. Very, very common. It has become very, very common now.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And John Mark is asking, he's actually commenting something. I just read out his comment. He says, I live in a bungalow that is surrounded by greenery and many trees. Will it help me? And and he's surprisingly, he's saying, there's a perception that John Mark, would want to have the answer in English, but he says, please tell me in Hindi language. So Mr. Mr. Mazumdar will answer this question in Hindi. He says कि मेरे घर के आसपास सारा ग्रीनरी है और बहुत पेड़ हैं, तो फिर भी मुझे जरूरत है क्या इस प्रोडक्ट की?
आप ये मत सोचिए कि आपके घर के आसपास के एनवायरनमेंट या वातावरण कैसे हैं. आप ये देखिए कि आपके घर में किसी को रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स है या नहीं है. मतलब अगर किसी को रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स है, नाक बंद, गले में खराश, सुबह उठ के छींकना, खांसना, सर में भारीपन, एलर्जी, एस्थमा, अगर ये चीजें हैं तो आपको एयर प्यूरिफायर मदद कर सकता है, इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ क्या कि चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी है. सो आपका मेजरमेंट, आपका डिसीजन टू बाय एन एयर प्यूरिफायर शुड नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द कंडीशन ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट. इट शुड डिपेंड ऑन द रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स दैट इज देयर इन योर होम. अगर रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम है, खास करके एसी कमरे में जब हम सो के उठते हैं, अगर आपको सुबह उठने के बाद आपको या किसी फैमिली मेंबर को सर में भारीपन, नाक बंद, गले में खराश या छींकने की शिकायत होती है, तो इसका मतलब प्यूरिफायर से आपको मदद मिल सकता है. नॉट ओनली दैट, प्यूरिफायर विल हेल्प यू इन रिड्यूसिंग रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीजेस प्लस प्रिवेंटिंग देम फ्रॉम फ्यूचर, प्रिवेंटिंग देम इन द फ्यूचर. मतलब आपको अभी के रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीजेस को कम करने में मदद करेगा और उसके साथ साथ आगे भी आपका प्रिवेंशन करेगा. सो उम्मीद करता हूँ मैं आपको आंसर कर पाया।
Yes, yes.
मान
John
लीजिए
Mark
कई लोग
is.
कहते हैं कि तनवीर जी एक पॉइंट, कई लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि मेरे घर में तो किसी को ऐसी शिकायत नहीं है। मैं उनसे
जी,
कहना चाहूंगा ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं है, बट इसकी क्या गारंटी है कि आगे नहीं होंगे?
exactly, exactly. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने सर. एंड जॉन मार्क आपको थैंक कर रहे हैं फॉर दी वंडरफुल आंसर इन हिंदी. एंड एक लास्ट सवाल ले लेते हैं बिकॉज वी आई डोंट सी टू मेनी. सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर प्रीटी सिमिलर टू द ओल्ड क्वेश्चंस. एंड we'll take one question now. विघ्नेश्वरम चौकलिंगम पूछ रहे हैं that does its performance vary whether the room is closed or it's open? I suppose he is talking about ventilation. Windows खुली हैं या बंद हैं, इससे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा?
Very good question. Very good. Thank you so much. So air purifier functions very well in two conditions. One, air conditioned room. If your room is air conditioned, then it will give you 100% efficiency, right? But if the doors and windows are open, air purifier will not work because उस समय cross ventilation हो रहा है. Huh? But if the, let's say for example, in my scenario now, the window is closed and the door is open, right? ज्यादातर cases में ऐसे ही होता है. In most of the cases in India, we don't use air conditioner throughout the year. So let's say if we use the AC for 6 to 8 months a year, balance 4 months, either the window is open or the door is open. So let's say if the window is closed, like in my case right now, the window is closed, so I have put the purifier near the window. If the window is open and the door is closed, put the air purifier near to the door. So in that case, it will give you about 85 to 90% efficiency. AC room, 100%. Partially closed room, 85 to 90%. I hope I have been able to answer.
Yes, I think and that's a very detailed and a very accurate procedure for using the product to ensure maximum effectiveness of the product. And now I see there don't seem to be any more questions, and some of the questions are repetition of what was asked earlier. So I'll just like to remind everyone who's joined us today that the handouts regarding the effectiveness of the technology that we talked about are there. The 155-page handout is there, and there's another handout on its effectiveness on SARS-CoV-2 also. And in addition, the whole presentation that we are showing today is available as a PDF form as an handout to you, and you can download it and use it with your prospects. Also, the complete webinar of today is recorded, and you will receive the recording on your email ID, and you can see it later on. You can show it to your prospects. All I can say now today is the best day. Today is the best day for you to show that you really love and care for your family, and buy the product today only. Because if you haven't yet gone for it, go for it today. Because believe you me, this product is selling like hotcakes. This is really rolling off the shelf, the virtual shelf, if I can say so, because it's there virtually. And please go for it today. And with that note, I would like to specially thank our expert, Mr. Mazumdar, for joining us today. And thanks also to everyone, all our IRs who joined us today for this session. I hope it was informative. And as usual, we look forward to seeing you again in the near future. And you can write to us for any more queries. We'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you once again. All the best. Take care and God bless you all. Bye-bye.